welcome to another Temple Seeker vlog, and I've just arrived in Oman. Amidst all of the coronavirus scare, I've managed to just about get my visa, so you can look at my other video to see all the crazy stuff that happened the day before I flew out here. I'm going to go through minimalist packing for 2 weeks in Oman. And you know, I like to do minimalist because I just don't like stuff. And I like to be able to carry my stuff. I don't need hair dryers in hot countries. I don't need loads of gadgets. Quite casual dress for most of my travel. So what I've got to show you is my hand luggage for a backpack. I actually stole this from my husband. Thank you, Si. It's quite a comfortable one, that's why. So I've got a nice little hand luggage there, and then I've got this Cabin X bag here, which is quite a small suitcase as well, as you can see. The reason that I've got this packing is because I've got checked baggage to fly from Manchester to Muscat, and that was up to 30 kilos. Well, mine's only usually about 10 or 11 anyway. But I've got an internal flight from Muscat to Salalah in a week's time to go and explore the beaches in the south of Oman, and so I need to be able to make sure that whatever I have can be kind of condensed into one hand luggage, and I'm really hoping that this Cabin X bag is going to do the trick for the hand luggage. We'll have to see. I guess that if it doesn't, I'll just have to pay excess, but I'll let you know how that goes. So it's the hand luggage is very, very, very simple and very, very minimalist. Packet of tissues for the journey. Purse, essential. Passport, essential, complete with coronavirus form. That's to say that I'm cleared on it. My phone, essential. My keys to get back home in England. One hair bubble and one pen. A pen is always great to have in your hand luggage when you're doing long haul, because you're always going to get asked to fill in forms to come into the airport, and it's a pain if you have to borrow one or wait for one or whatever. And then in my main bag, my laptop, which is there right in front of me. I'm filming on it. I then have my 2 chargers. I've just shoved in basically my laptop and my phone chargers. My diary to do some planning and some writing. My teeth. This is my retainers because I keep forgetting to wear them and my teeth are going to cross over again, which would have been a waste of £3 grand. So I do need to take retainers and retainer bright everywhere that I'm going to be now. I do have a spare pair of knickers always in my hand luggage because I'm just paranoid in case my main bag goes missing, and at least I've got some knickers in my hand luggage. Brioche, you never know when you're going to fancy a brioche. And I've got some antibiotics in here as well because I did get an ear infection. Just basically just all the essentials that I need and the essential meds that I need. That's my hand luggage. I'll just shove all of that to one side. And then my main bag, it's quite conservative in Oman, so dress-wise you need to wear quite a lot of long trousers and long tops, a little bit like this one, what I'm wearing now. I've stolen this one off my mum, thanks Mum. I seem to be like pilfering people's things at the moment. Oops. Anyway, you need to dress quite conservatively. So for women particularly, one of the most important things that you will bring to Oman will be a headscarf, and you can perhaps bring a few hair clips with you if you want to secure it in place. So that's very, very important. I've then got a series of dresses. I actually picked up 2 really nice long sleeve dresses from Topshop, which are perfect for Oman because you've got your arms covered for going into the mosques, and you can, if you want to, wear it with a pair of leggings underneath as well. So that's the kind of thing that is really, really good to wear. It's brand new, I've still got the label on it, this Topshop one. The same in black, so I had a peach one and I had a black one. And then I've got a load of tops here, which are, again, like I was saying, long sleeve. So a simple long sleeve black top is great for Oman. I've also got, I always seem to travel with this because it's so comfortable, but your shoulders are covered again with that top. I've got another black dress. It's a little bit lower cut, so I might need to wear a scarf with it in some places, but again, that's the kind of thing that I'm packing. And I've got another one, also from my mum. which is like a long sleeved tunic, and that kind of thing works really well with jeans or smart trousers. The leggings are quite invaluable for Oman because you can just shove them on under a tunic or a dress or whatever, and then if you're in a place where you want to visit a mosque or you just don't want to offend locals who are quite conservative, you've got your leggings there. And I always travel with a really nice, comfortable pair of casual trousers, and I like these. I wore these ones in Poland as well, actually. With regards to swimwear, don't go for a bikini. Go for a full bathing costume, again just because it's conservative, and you might even want to pack a t-shirt to go over it if you're swimming in places that are not resorts or westernised hotels. And then another really essential thing for Oman is the prescription sunglasses. It gets really, really hot here. We are in March and it's already 27 degrees in the afternoon, so you do need your sunnies. And because of the same reason, you also need to pack your sun creams. And when I pack my sun creams, just in case of any leaks, I always pack them in a plastic bag as well, because I have in the past had a few explosions. And then 2 more essentials. I have got my deodorant and I've got my bug spray. There are mozzies. It's not a really high risk for malaria, but you do need to be careful. If you're prone to getting bitten, you need to pack your bug spray. So I've then got a load of comfortable, thick walking socks to wear with my walking boots. And then for just evenings, and if I want to pop and have a drink or some food, I've got a nice comfortable pair of shoes, just flats, pointed comfortable flats. I picked these up in Bangkok for like 12 quid or something, and they're real leather as well. So that's shoes. And then my shoes are classic walking boots. I've got some really nice ones that I picked up in Trespass for about 65 quid. Picked those up before I came on this trip. And then in here, I've got some little sections. You can see how those sections are in the bag. And it's really nice to pack actually. So I have got some Laxido just in case of constipation. Oops. That can happen to me. Just checking that this is working. There it is. And I've got Royal Dew, which is like rehydration sachets. I picked those up in Cambodia and they were brilliant, so I bought them in bulk. And I pack a little bit of English tea just in case I can't get it. So that's kind of drinks section. I also have in here a few bits of medication. So I've got some Lemsips, I've got sanitary towels just in case, and I've got Interdental for my teeth, tooth brushing. And then I've got here another section of socks and underwear. That's quite nicely packed. And then in this top section, this is kind of me just shoving in other things that I needed. So I've got a charger for my Fitbit. I like to travel with my Fitbit because I like to do at least 10,000 steps a day if I can. It's arrival day to day, so I won't have made that many today. But when I start walking out and about, I will do. A bra, obviously. You always need a spare bra. And then I have got some earbuds for my ears and some classic clean and flexible wipes. They have the bum gun here in Oman, so you might want to carry some loo roll or some wet wipes with you just in case. But actually, it's nice to use and it's really clean. I'm getting mine installed at home actually. So I think that's everything. The one thing that I haven't mentioned is my toiletries. So I have another little, can't even find it amongst all of this stuff. Anyway, I'll talk to you about my toiletry section. I just bring one small little makeup bag, and in that I've got one lipstick, but it's like a lipstick / lip balm that I use, and then toothpaste, toothbrush, basic small little soaps, and any other medication that I need. And that's it really. I go very, very minimalist because you can buy whatever you need when you get there. I would say also, yeah, for women, hair grippers and bobbles, definitely just to sort your hair out for going into the mosque and wearing your headscarf. And I think that's about it really. Before I log off, I wanted to try and show you what's behind me. I don't know if you can see very well because of the sunshine, but this is the view from my Airbnb apartment. It's absolutely really gorgeous. I would have filmed that direction, but as you can see, the light's not very good. I hope that really helps with your packing for what to take to Oman, minimalist packing for Oman. How do you say it? Oman? Oman? I think I'm from Birmingham, I'll probably say Oman. Anyway, love you all, subscribe to my YouTube, I'll see you soon, bye!